Okay, I'm just going to go through a few examples here before I post the assignment. So this first question says, write each of these powers as a radical. So just want to remind you that the numerator in a fractional exponent stands for the exponent, the denominator stands for the root. The base always becomes the radicand, and then when we're asked to put in the root, it's a fourth root, and then the exponent is a 3. So let's just do one more over here. 15 raised to the exponent 2/3. I'm going to draw my radical sign. I'm going to put my base under as my radicand. My root is 3, and my exponent is 2. Not asking you to solve, just asking you to rewrite it. Okay, question number 2 says write the power with a fractional exponent. So it's written as a radical. We're going to write it as a power. So the radicand becomes the base. I always draw my line, and then I think, what's the exponent? The 2. What's the root? 3. So let's try one more like that together. Okay, so we know we're going to write it as a power. The radicand becomes the base. I know I'm going to have a fractional exponent. Okay, my exponent is here, goes on the top number. My root is on the bottom, becomes the denominator of my fractional exponent. Okay, this one says now we're going to evaluate. So this means come up with an answer. Okay, and we always do that by writing it as a radical. So I'm going to write it radical 16. It's just simply a square root. What's the square root of 16? 4. Okay, don't let this be overwhelming. It's just not that hard, right? Just got to think about it. Okay, and this one here, so the same over here. We're just going to redo that. Same here. We're going to find the value of each power and radical to the second decimal place. So what I'm having you do here is write it as a radical, but you're going to need to use your calculator this time, okay? So just getting some real good practice with your calculator. Okay, that's it. Give that a whirl, and we'll meet again tomorrow. And miss ya.